Last week I did a post to ask what were some areas of concern, or what were some of the largest hurdles that some people were experiencing with purchasing a home, or why they weren't able to do it. The person posted credit, try another program, but it didn't work out, trying to dispute some things and need help fixing school loan issues. So the thing with all of that is school loans do not prevent you from purchasing a house. You can purchase a home with a school loan. The way that they calculate it, unless there's been changes, is whatever the total balance of your student loans are, they're going to consider 1% of whatever that is as your payment. So whatever 1% is of your total student loans is what they're going to consider to be your payment when making a determination of your qualification for home ownership. So you can have school loans and purchase a house at the same time. One is not contingent on the other, unless your school loans are in a negative state, meaning that they are still saying that they are owed on or they're in collection. Then in that instance, they would have to be corrected or rehabbed so that you can qualify for a mortgage. Student loans that are public or through the government can be rehabbed usually once in their lifetime, and you can apply for different programs like income-based repayment, graduated payment, deferments, forbearance. I tell people, you're going to want to start to eventually pay on your school loans, because there's nothing that's going to make them go. They're not going away. Like they say that's like the next housing bubble bust, like how the housing market had that instance in 2008. They're saying that the student loans are going to be the next one to do that. So I encourage you to go ahead and address your student loans, but know that you can still purchase a house and still have issues with your student loan debt, and that you can still purchase a home. If you're not paying anything, then they're going to use what your payment would be. Still, they're going to go with the 1%.